Welcome back. Alrighty, problems 25 and 26 go together, so let's just solve those really quick. This is asking me to solve the rectangle perimeter formula, which is P equals 2L plus 2W for L. Here's L. Alrighty, let's zoom in a bit here. Alright, so I've got P equals 2L plus 2W. Oh, there's the bell. Alrighty, so, again, I'm trying to get L by itself. We're going to do the opposite of what PEMDAS says. Okay, so if there's any addition or subtraction, we're going to start there. Then there's any multiplication and division, we're going to do that next. Okay, it looks like L is being timesed by 2 and added to 2W. Well, if I'm looking for addition subtraction, plus 2W is probably going to be what I take care of first. What's the opposite of plus 2W? Minusing 2W. That cancels. Can I combine these? No, they are not like terms. This is P, this is W. I cannot combine them, so I'm just going to write them side by side. So I'm going to write P minus 2W equals, what's left on this side? 2L. Alrighty, we took care of all of our addition subtraction. Next up, if there any multiplication and division. It appears so because I'm timesing by 2. What's the opposite of timesing by 2, you may ask? Well, dividing by 2. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. That cancels, and I'll end up with P minus 2W divided by 2 equals L. Ta-da! All right, and we're done with problem number 25. So I'm going to box that up. Okay, problem 26 has a little bit of a typo, so I'm going to scribble that out. I'm going to say, use your answer to problem 25 to find the, this should say length. Apologies for that. Use your answer to problem 25 to find the length of a rectangle that has a perimeter, I might underline some of this important information, a perimeter of 280 centimeters and a width of 45 centimeters. All right, well, let me copy down my equation that I got from last time. So P for perimeter minus 2W, W's for width, divided by 2 equals L for length. So we're trying to figure out the length of something if we know the width and the perimeter. All right, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to rewrite this, but I'm going to leave a blank spot. Here's where P goes. Minus 2, here's where W goes. So here's where P goes. Let me try that again. Here's where P goes. Here's where W goes. Divided by 2. And I'm going to reread through my problem, see if I can figure out what P is, and I'll put it in this blank spot. If I can figure out what W is, I'll put it in this blank spot. Okay, so if I reread, use your answer to find the length of a rectangle that has a perimeter. What? Perimeter? P? A perimeter of 280. So that's going to go right there. Perimeter of 280. Okay, of 280. And a width of, wait a minute, a width of? I was looking for that information. The width is 45. Okay, so it looks like if I reread this, I've got 280 minus 2 times 45 divided by 2. You could type this guy, and I might even throw in some parentheses there to make sure we're good. You could type this whole guy into your calculator and get the answer, but I don't want to do that, so I'm going to solve it by hand. So if I've got 280 minus 2 times 45 over 2, so that's going to equal 280 minus 90, which I know is 2 times 45, divided by 2, which equals, I think that's 190 divided by 2, which I believe will equal 95. So the length, L, equals 95. I don't know why it keeps disappearing like that. All right, we should be good there. All righty, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't understand, that's okay. Please, please come and talk to me, and I will help you, and we'll come up with a different one, and we'll try it again together. All right? All right, good luck with everything. Please let me know if I can help. Adios.